Less Lethal Mancave.
Hi guys, welcome to Less Lethal Mancave. I'm Taco. Hachi and Tomo, they're resting. There seems no reaction on what I'm doing. Hey, hello. Oh, howdy. How you doing, huh? Oh, don't look at me like that. I feed you well. Alright, anyway. Today, the topic will be about the stock magazine. I mean the stock length, 4.5 inches, steel barrel. Sorry, we're done with magazine. We're gonna do the barrel. Okay, so anyway. So we have a subscriber asking for the look, the internal look, the Cyclone internal look. I had it pictured to show you the difference. Okay, so this is the barrel, the rifled. The rifle barrel. It comes in a black and silver, okay? And I'll show you the stock one. The stock one doesn't have the Cyclone design. You see, this is the stock one. The stock one's over here. Okay, it's lighter and it doesn't have any rifle design. And this steel made 4.5 inches barrel. It weighs about 60 grams. I have tried it on. Let's do it again. I run out of battery. Alrighty, so the scale is ready. Before we do that, I have magnets to prove that it's made out of steel. See? See? And this is the stock one. Nope. It doesn't stick. Okay. So, you know, I have the scale here, but unfortunately, anything exceeds 50 grams, it doesn't measure. So I could measure the stock one, but for the steel one, since it exceeds 50 grams, I have to use this one to show you guys. Wow, actually it's 80, huh? The other day. Wow, it's 80. Okay, it's 80 grams on the silver. The black should be 80 as well. Whoa. So it seems that 70. So the silver one, which is the newer one, has improved a bit on the weight. Nah, it just fluctuates. See, a while ago was 80. Now it's, you know, they should be 70. That's in between 80 and 60. That's 70. Oh my god. There, 70. Let's waste no more time on this. Okay. I will be using the pistol that's compatible for shape rounds to do the test on this steel barrel with the rifled design. Okay, and also at the same time I will be using the magazine that has aluminum +1 magazine extension on it, so you guys could see the performance all at once, right? Okay. So a total of 7 rounds for the aluminum +1 magazine extension. And let's see, it's for the shape rounds, but you can't see from here. Let's see. Aha! Can you see it? Can you see that? It's shape rounds. And let's put the gas in. Okay. We'll do the testing first on the steel barrel, and after that I will shift back to the stock barrel, and by doing so you could see the joules difference. Okay. Here we go. Let's get it closer. .284.6. By the way, I'm using a 9.85 grams of round. .28.3. What the hell? 271.6. 269. 266.4. 265. Ooh, we're out of gas. Wow. We're out of rounds too. Okay. Well, so I guess by upgrading to this steel barrel, what used to be 9 or 10 rounds is now down to 7 rounds of more powerful shots. Okay. Anyway, for your information, the last time we tested this pistol for the shape rounds, we had this shape rounds in it, and we shot 9 times. This time we had this heavy rounds. It weighs, hold on, okay, 9.84. Yeah, it's almost 9.85. Yeah, 9.837, 9.843. Anyway, you get the idea. So I'm waiting for it to sort of warm up a bit to keep the measurement as realistic, as comparable as possible. Okay. So now we're on the original pistol barrel, and I will load the rounds again. Seven rounds. You know, it's pretty smooth, no? It doesn't jam, right? See? Okay, guys, we're gonna warm up this chamber a little bit, and I'm currently using the stock magazine from Pistol. I'll weight it. Give you an idea of the original metal barrel. That weight is about 24.2. Maybe it's not flat enough. 24.5. Okay. 24.5. And the steel one is about 70 grams. So this is like almost like one third of the steel barrel weight. Okay. Put in the gas. This is a pistol that works on shape rounds. Okay. And we're using a aluminum +1 magazine extension. So total of 7 rounds in it. Let's game on. 272.8. 270. 265.5. 264.2. 263.9. 259.9. Oh, you can't shoot anymore. Okay, 7 shots. All right. So let me get back to you with the result. Okay, guys, so I have done with my computation and there are very interesting results. I have incorporated the test shots I've done last time with the shape projectile, 3.1 grams steel barrel, comparing it with what we have done this time, which is the round projectile, 9.85 grams, using the steel barrel and using the aluminum barrel. Okay, the interesting thing is the power band. If we use the shape projectile, it seems to have the lowest on the power band. The strongest shot, which is the first shot of the shape projectile, is 32.78 joules. And its lowest registered shot was 29.63. So 29.63 up to 32.78. That's the range. Okay. Now for the round projectile steel barrel, the lowest was 32.14 joules and the highest is 37.06 joules. As for the round projectile aluminum barrel, the lowest is 30.91 joules and the highest is 34.05 joules. So clearly, the round projectile with the steel barrel is the number one. When compare the steel barrel with the stock barrel, it gives you at least 1 to 3 joules of extra power. And in between round projectile and shape projectile, round projectile is showing more powerful force compared to that of the shape projectile. I would say by a very slight difference though. I would say maximum is about 1.xx joules weaker if you use shape projectile compared to the aluminum barrel, the stock one. However, I'm comparing 2 different barrels, of course, right? So if I compare the shape projectile steel barrel against the round projectile steel barrel, now the difference in power increases to 2 to 4 plus joules of difference. Therefore, if you want higher joules use, I recommend you still use the round projectile. But you know, people say that if you use the shape projectile, you get better accuracy. Well, in theory, it is, because you could trap more air and focused. You could focus the air in this area, in this space, and it's sort of guiding the projectile to its destination. Whereas the round projectile, it doesn't have a sense of direction. You know, it could move to any direction easily. Maybe in a condition wherein there is a stronger wind, a shape projectile will show its advantage better than round projectile. So that is just my theory. Now we have to try it out, test it out, to find out if it's really like that. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe, and very soon the shopping link will be ready for you guys to take a visit. And if you like the things I've shown here in the video, you could place your order, and we could, you know, have the same stuff, and we could better communicate, share the same interest. How's that? Okay? Thank you. Till next time. Bye.
Less Lethal Mancave.